one of my greatest strength in my life. One of my sources of my strength. It's all about baking. So I love almond flour. I have potato starch, tapioca flour, my coconut flour, and my Splenda instead of sugar for making kinds of baked goods for healthy ingredients. This one, instead of sugar, I use this one, Splenda or stevia. I do have here brown rice.